Welcome to Acuity Training. In this short video, we'll introduce our Microsoft Copilot training courses that we run in London and online, and show you how we help you write, analyse and organise your work faster with AI. So why train with us? Our Copilot training is award-winning, small and friendly, with an average class size of just 4, so no one gets left behind. Every course is hands-on, built around practical exercises and real-world examples. It's CPD-certified and includes 6 months of post-course support, the longest support window of any provider we found. So, what is Copilot? Copilot is Microsoft's AI-powered assistant built into the 365 apps. It works alongside you in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook and Teams. It speeds up your everyday tasks and lets you write, analyse and organise your work more efficiently. Let's look at the courses. Our Copilot Overview course is a half-day course to help you hit the ground running. It's perfect for beginners, covering Copilot's core features, designing presentation slides, creating and analysing data, and drafting an executive summary. Our Copilot Introduction course is a one-day course that makes you a confident and capable Copilot user. You'll master the pages and create features, write clear, structured prompts, and create and manage agents for automation, all across Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams. We also run focused courses that dig into Copilot with Excel or Word. You'll learn to build formulas, summarise and analyse your data, streamline your research effectively, and automate formatting, getting real, hands-on time with Copilot inside the apps you use every day. Each course comes with 6 months of free post-course support, so you always have help as you put your new skills into practice. We're so confident in our training that we back it with a 100% money-back guarantee, which no other provider does. Check out the site for full details. To book your Copilot training or to talk through the right course for you, get in touch today.